Welcome, science enthusiasts, to another deep dive into the fascinating world around us. Today, we're exploring something deeply personal, yet universally experienced. Tears. But far from being just salty water, tears are a complex biological fluid with distinct types, each serving a crucial purpose. Prepare to have your perception of crying completely redefined. Let's start with the unsung heroes of ocular health: basal tears. These are secreted continuously in small amounts by the lacrimal glands located above each eyeball. Their primary role is to maintain a smooth, clear optical surface on the cornea, essential for sharp vision. Basal tears are a sophisticated cocktail. They consist of three main layers: a thin, oily outer layer produced by the meibomian glands, which reduces evaporation; a watery middle layer containing electrolytes, proteins like lysozyme, an antimicrobial enzyme, and mucins that help spread the tear film evenly, and an inner mucin layer that adheres to the cornea. This intricate structure ensures lubrication, delivers nutrients, and provides a first line of defense against pathogens. Next up are reflex tears, triggered by external irritants such as dust, smoke, chemical fumes, famously from cutting onions. Sensory nerves in the cornea detect these threats and send signals to the brainstem, which then stimulates a massive release of tears from the lacrimal glands. Unlike basal tears, reflex tears are produced in much larger quantities and more rapidly. Their primary function is mechanical flushing, physically washing away the irritant. They also contain a higher concentration of antibodies, like immunoglobulin A or IgA, to combat potential microbial invasion resulting from the irritation. The sheer volume aims to dilute and eliminate the offending substance as quickly as possible. Now we arrive at the most intriguing category: emotional tears, shed in response to strong feelings, sadness, joy, grief, anger, even intense frustration. These tears have a distinct chemical signature compared to basal and reflex tears. Studies have shown that emotional tears contain higher concentrations of certain proteins and hormones, including prolactin, adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACH, and leucine and kephalin, which is actually a natural painkiller. This suggests that crying emotional tears might serve a physiological function beyond just expressing feelings. The exact evolutionary purpose is still debated, but theories include stress reduction by expelling these hormones, a social signaling function to elicit empathy and support, and even a way to restore emotional equilibrium. The presence of these unique biochemical components really underscores that emotional crying is not merely a behavioral response, but a complex psychophysiological process. It's important to note that while we categorize tears into these three types, there can be an interplay between them. For instance, prolonged eye irritation might trigger both reflex and some emotional responses. Furthermore, ongoing research continues to unravel the full complexity of tear composition and its connection to our physical and emotional states. So, the next time you shed a tear, remember, it's a sophisticated fluid carrying out vital functions, and in the case of emotional tears, potentially even helping you process your feelings on a biochemical level. The science of tears is far more profound than it might seem on the surface. What are your thoughts on the science of tears? Have you ever noticed a difference between tears of sadness and tears of irritation? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, and subscribe for more deep dives into the amazing science that surrounds us. Thanks for watching.